Hello everybody. Tonight we're going to go through and look at this kit I got at Lowe's on Black Friday. This is the Craftsman 20V circular saw and drill. So it comes with a circular saw, drill, two 1.5 amp hour batteries and a charger. So let's go ahead and start looking at them. So first we'll look at the battery. It's just a basic battery. It seems like it does have good spring retention here on the button. One nice feature about the battery, it does have this battery gauge on the front, so you can see how much charge the battery has in it, which is really nice. Okay, we'll go ahead and look at the circular saw now. So this is a 6.5 inch circular saw. So it feels pretty heavy, feels like it's pretty well made. It has these levers for quick and easy adjustment of the bevel and your angle. So that's nice. It has a safety trigger or safety lever right here. It's on each side, so whether you're right or left-handed, that should work. The rubber overmolding does feel nice, so it feels good in the hand. It does have plastic guards and shields, but that should be okay because hopefully your blade won't be hitting that anyway. So we'll go ahead and take it outside and we'll see how it cuts. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut it on video. I used the saw yesterday when I built this workbench here. We'll put a video up on the screen so you can see a good picture of what it looks like. But we'll go ahead and square this up. I cut off this piece with the oscillating tool. I'll put a link to the video in the description below. And so we'll go ahead and get this cut and square the board off. Cut through that, no problem. Pretty clean cut. Overall, I'm happy with it. It cut through these 2x12s that we used yesterday, no problem, making this workbench. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching.